Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Happy Veterans Day. My A group learned about Veterans Day yesterday, and my B group will learn about Veterans Day tomorrow. But I have sent out the video that we will be watching, and so you guys can watch that again. A group and B group can watch it, and then we'll watch it again tomorrow. Mrs. Hensley, this is pre-recording this. That means I'm not recording it today. Therefore, you don't see me wearing red, white, and blue. But Mrs. Hensley today is wearing red, white, and blue at home, okay? Making sure I'm honoring those veterans on Veterans Day. Today, we're doing some fall activities because A group yesterday, we focused on Veterans Day, and tomorrow, my B group will focus on Veterans Day. So, today we are doing, as a group, all of us, A and B students, we are going to be getting our fall cutting page out of your fish folder. This is in your fish folder. You will also need a pencil, and you will need scissors, okay? First thing I'm going to do is write my name on my paper, because that's the first thing we always have to do, right? Always write your name first, name first, name first. Always write your name first before you do your work. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley is writing Mrs. Hensley. And make sure when you're writing your name starts with an uppercase letter, and all the other letters in your name are lowercase, except for Nalea, and she has 2 uppercase letters in her name. So everybody else only has 1 uppercase at the beginning, and all the rest of your letters are lowercase. Okay, so now that I have my name on my paper, Mrs. Hensley is getting her scissors. Remember, my scissors always point up to the sky when I'm cutting, okay? You're going to start cutting on this line right here, and then until you get to the leaves. Okay, here you'll cut till you get to the leaves, and here you'll cut until you get to the leaf. Okay, this is cutting practice. So I'm going to start at the bottom. You can start in the middle, you can start at the bottom, you can start at the top. Wherever you want to start, you can start. I'm starting at the bottom. Okay? Okay, remember, my scissors are pointing to the sky, and all I'm doing is cutting on this line right here. Just like this. You notice my other hand is moving it. Okay, I'm done. You see that? I cut to the leaf right here. I cut to the leaf, but I didn't cut the leaf off, right? We're leaving that leaf on there, and we're not cutting this part off. Okay, now I'm going to cut my middle. Remember, my scissors are to the sky. This is cutting practice. Good to help us learn how to cut neater. Okay, I stopped when I got to my leaf. Okay, now I'm going to do my top. You can do yours top first, and then middle, and then bottom. You can do your middle. You can do your top and then your bottom. However you want to cut the lines, you get to decide. Okay, so now my paper, it should look like this. Okay, you are going to keep this at home. Mrs. Hensley does not need this back. You can ask your parents what you need to do with this, okay? Okay, I have another video that will be coming up about your See the Fall Fun. So if you guys would like to get that out, you can get that out and have that ready whenever you watch the video. Okay, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your Wednesday, wonderful Wednesday, and a happy Veterans Day. And be sure to thank the veterans in your family if you have any veterans in your family who have served in the military or are currently serving in the military. Okay, A group, we talked yesterday about how Mrs. Hensley's husband is retired Navy. He used to be in the Navy, and my brother is in the Navy now. So I have a lot of family in the Navy, or have been in the Navy. My daddy was in the Army. He served in the Vietnam War. So I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your Wednesday, and Mrs. Hensley will see you soon. Bye, friends.